In this video, I will show you how to download Hulu app on your smart TV. This is very easy. Like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you want to download the Hulu app on your smart TV and you don't have Google Play Store, App Store, then you can use intermediary app called Downloader. This is a very easy to use application, and if you don't have the application on your smart TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there to guide you get the application to your smart TV. After getting the application, all you have to do is launch it. So what Downloader does is that it helps you source applications from the internet and download or install to your smart TV. So in this case, we want to install the Hulu application. So you can just write in Hulu app or Hulu stream app, whatever is convenient with you, and you click on go. As you click on go, download is going to show you where to download the application from the internet to your smart TV. So as you come over here are the various options. You can scroll down a little bit and you can see download Hulu app. You can use this option. If you have an Apple TV, you can use this option. But since we're using a smart TV, let's go ahead and use this option. Once you click on that option, it's going to bring you to this page where if the application is supported on your Android TV or smart TV, then you can install it. But unfortunately for me, my TV version is so low for the application, so it's not available on my smart TV. But if yours is available, you're going to see the install button here and you click on it. So support me and by subscribing to YouTube channel for more important videos like this.